Hey guys, Craig here, Bergie JKU. Today I'm gonna do a quick little video on replacing my front brake pads. I have the power stop rotors, which are cut and slotted, but my pads, they're starting to whistle a little bit, so I'm just gonna go ahead, replace those. Should be pretty simple, but yeah, let's check it out. Alright guys, and that's it. I'm going to double check my torques just because you saw one of my earlier videos, I actually lost a wheel on the road, and that's never a good thing. But the only thing that I did that I didn't talk about was I put some blocks behind my wheels before I jacked it up so I wouldn't roll it into the driveway. Use jack stands. It's pretty straightforward, guys. I started that second brake pad at 12:33 and it's 12:45 now, so it took me about 12 minutes. So good luck, hope this helps somebody, and please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Power Stop Brakes, you're the bomb. Thanks.